Hi, friends. This is the math lesson for second grade. This is Unit 4, Lesson 12. So, we are going to take a little bit of a break from only focusing on subtraction, and we're going to solve some word problems today. And if you notice by looking at the title on page 189, they are addition and subtraction word problems. Okay, so we are going to have to figure out whether we're doing addition or subtraction, and then we'll be solving. They also want us to draw a math mountain to help us solve. So before we do that, let's review math mountains. We're even going to review them more tomorrow. When we have a math mountain, we have the total that goes on top, and then both partners that go on the bottom. So no matter what, your total is your biggest number and your partners are your smaller numbers. So when you are adding, you add your partners together. And when you are subtracting, you subtract one of your partners from your total. Okay? So we're going to carefully read these story problems. We are going to go back to our cube strategy to help us make sure we're doing what we need to do, at least on the first page. We are going to do page 189 together, and then I will let you do page 190 on your own, and you can check back when you're done. All right, here we go. Teresa has 45 blocks. Then she finds 29 more under the couch. How many blocks does Teresa have now? So going back to our cube strategy, we're going to circle the key numbers and units. So I see 45, I see 29, and I'm going to circle the word blocks because I know that is what I'm dealing with, right? I'm going to underline my question. Okay, underline the question. I'm going to box my clue words. So I see the word now and I see the word more. So that tells me that I'm going to be adding because she's finding more. Sometimes the word now does mean subtraction, but we know that she is finding some more. So if I'm adding, that means that I have my two partners. So I have 45 and I have 29. I'm going to put my box up on top, and now I can solve. Now, when we're solving problems that have bigger numbers, we are not going to write them side to side. We need to write them up and down so we can make our new groups. Okay, do you remember how to add like this? It's been so long. We start in ones town. 5 plus 9. If I add 5 plus 9, I get 14. And I can either put my new group above, or if you prefer, you can put your new group below. Then you're going to add your 1, your 4, and your 2 to get a total of 74. So how many blocks does Teresa have now? She has 74 blocks. All right, let's keep going. Number 2, remember you can pause the video at any time, my friends, if you need to slow it down. Karina's class makes 163 masks. They hang 96 of the masks in the library. How many masks do they have left? So I'm going to circle my numbers and my units or my keywords. So I have 163, 96, and I'm going to circle my label, which is masks. I know some of you like to write it right here. That is totally fine. I'm going to underline my question. And I'm going to circle any key clue words. So, or I'm in a box. So I have, how many do they have left? And that's probably maybe the word makes, because it's telling me how many they make. And then they're hanging. So they're getting rid of some. So this tells me that I'm going to be subtracting. So I'm going to draw my math mountain. If I'm drawing my math mountain and I'm subtracting, I know that I need to have a total and a partner. So 163, that's how many total they made. And 96 is one of my partners. And I'm trying to figure out what is my other partner. Now I can write my subtraction. Again, we are not writing anything side to side. We are only doing up and down vertical equations. So this is where our learning from last week comes in. So 163 minus 96. First thing I do, ask myself, can I subtract 3 minus 6? The answer is no. So where do I go? Next door. Somebody's home. There's 6 of them. They're all home. So I can cross off my 6, change it to a 5, and bring back 10. I had 6, or I had 3. Now I have 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now I move on to my tens town. Now I have 5